Hi there, welcome to the sunny side on perception. Really love this chapter. You'll see that there is a lot of overlap between this and your psychology courses. And I want to start by kind of a little illustration. So if you will play along with me, I am going to show you a number of images and I'm just going to flash them for 1 second. If you're a place where you won't embarrass yourself, you could just say them out loud or you might want to jot down. Let's just tell me, what do you see? That's image 1. Image 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. All right, now we're going to go back and I'm going to let you look at them for just a few seconds longer. And we have image 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. All right, so let's go back. So, did you see more than one thing in each slide? Did you see something the second time that you didn't see the first time? All of these things illustrate what this chapter is really about, is that things aren't always as we first assume, that there is more to the picture, so to speak, and that's really important when it comes to communication, understanding how we might be distorting what's going on. Let's go back because I'm sure you might be curious if you didn't see all of them. This one's called Old Lady, Young Lady, and it's actually the young lady most people see. That's her profile. The old lady is a larger profile. Here's her nose, and here's her mouth, and her chin, and her eye is the young lady's ear. The next one, if you look at the white space, you see two faces in profile, and sometimes people don't see that one. And this one is actually a little bit of a trick. If you turn it upside down, let's see if I can do that here, then it is a different image altogether. It's a man with a mustache. That one's kind of corny. I'll give you that. And let's see if we can go back here. And then this one is called Eskimo Looking into an Igloo, which, by the way, Eskimo is no longer the preferred term. It is Inuit as a people, just so you know. But when this was created, so you probably see a Native American profile, but the other image is this guy who's in this parka. You're looking at his back. There's his legs, and he's looking into the igloo. And this one's interesting. There are actually 3 figures up here. The first one is a large image of a woman's behind. She's naked, it looks like, and she's looking over her shoulder. Here's her arm. But then she has 2 guardians. This is their hair, and it looks like they're old men that are kneeling beside her. Kind of an interesting image. And then this one is a man in profile, but it is also the word liar. So what I really want you to take from this is I want you to take a look at this image. And this is kind of my sunny side summary for the chapter on perception. Try to see this from both perspectives. You can look at it with the blue in the back, and then I want you to see it with the blue in the front. And try to switch back and forth in your mind, seeing it in the back and then seeing it in the front. And what you realize here is that there's 2 sides here. There's 2 ways to look at this image. However, one of them is just more natural, and you have to work a little harder at the other. And that's what I want you to remember about perception, is you're going to take a test in Project Implicit. And it's going to be very interesting. You may find some biases that you didn't realize you had. And I just want you to realize that those biases may be your gut reaction, but just like this image, you can make yourself see things a little bit different. And that ultimately is going to make you a much better communicator. And with that, that's your sunny side.